Lack of rains has brought the lives of the farmers to a standstill. Now, the rains have let down the farmers of Karnataka who are unable to start ploughing or sowing, particularly in rain-fed areas. Now, farmers are now hopeful of Aridra rains, but if this also fails, there seems to be no other hope. Many small farmers who have just 2 or 3 hectares are already packing their bags for mass exodus to cities in search of employment. An advisory has been issued to farmers to desist from sowing water-intensive crops due to the prospects of poor rain. Now, all this because of the El Nino. While the government has announced contingency plans to take up ragi cultivation if the drought persists, there is a general perception that farmers who have invested their hard-earned money or taken loans to cultivate commercial crops will not opt for ragi at this juncture. In an effort to tackle any eventuality emerging out of a failure of monsoons in the state, the Karnataka government is readying a contingency plan to bail out farmers. The government will wait till the first week of July before implementing any such plans, as advised by the agriculture scientists. In fact, farmers in the region have now called for a long-term weather advisory bulletin to help farmers plan cropping pattern in a year of drought to minimize crop loss. The demand assumes significance due to the threat of drought looming large in the region. In fact, many experts have stated that this year scientists worldwide were forecasting a poor monsoon due to El Nino factor, and farmers should have been kept posted. Now, this is what many say, that the government should have informed the farmers well in advance. In fact, some say that the government was urged to advise farmers against sowing water-intensive crops like paddy and cotton as early as the first week of May, but they ignored it. Farmers will now pay the price for this inaction.